नमस्ते सबगोटा के पेट के प्रणाम उसके आशीर्वाद. So, dear all, welcome back. And today I am going to discuss something is happening nowadays, and it is there are so many lessons we can take from that incidents, that achievements. I hope everybody is analyzing that what about what I am going to discuss. It is the final win of Royal Challenge Bangalore, and the incident happened in Bangalore yesterday. It taught us so many things. There is so many positive things also to learn. There are so many negative things also to learn. As a society also we need to change, and I believe that any change when we are going to start from ourselves, then only we can be success. If we will expect that yes other person is why they are not doing this kind of thing, always it is our intensity, it is our habit to realize that always other person will do something good. Why we all are not thinking that it should be starting from ourselves? We should start, I should start. There positive lesson is there कि whenever we are going to get failure, that time do not give up. Always try again and again, as we saw last time ki how Royal Challenge Bangalore won the titles, and it was possible only in the with patience, and Virat Kohli has shown that kind of dedication, patience, and everything whatever required for that title. That's good thing. We should always learn from that thing. See, whenever we are going to get failure, that time we should not give up. We should always try again and again. Till that time we are not getting success, we should try it. And the another thing is also we have to learn whenever we got any achievement, that time if you have any old partners who has given you, who has supported you, that time you should not forget them. That also he has showed that he called to AB de Villiers and Chris Gayle to celebrate that success. So that also we can learn from that achievement. There are so many things is there, and also we should learn that so many times he called to Rajat Patidar, yes it's you were the captain, you are deserving this cup and you just lift it. But as Virat Kohli is always respected, so other person always give him opportunity first, and they also do it also, because if anybody is deserving in that team, then Virat Kohli is one of them. One more thing is there to learn, that is the most important thing is that happened yesterday. There are so many injuries, there are so many death happened in Bangalore, and who is the responsible for that? And it is very easy to say that person is responsible, BCCI is responsible, IPL is responsible, Karnataka government is responsible. It is very easy to say, but if we will think seriously, then we should also think about that we are the responsible. The person is thinking that there is, it's 100% sure that there will be a lot of crowd will be there. As a responsible person, we should think, we should avoid to go at that place. If we'll think that if we'll not go at that place, then crowd will be lesser. So we are the I believe that, I think that this is my thought. As I think it's happened, same thing happened in the Kumbh Mela. Everybody was thinking that I should go, but nobody was thinking that it's happening this kind of incident there. So we should avoid at least for 5 days, for 1 week. Later also we can go. So at the same incident happened in the some movie was there, Allu Arjun movie. In premiere also happened there, so many things, so many casualties, one death. So I believe everybody is going at the same place, hype is creating, and they are not thinking about the what will happen So we should avoid sometimes. If you feel that something is going to happen at that place, there are so many crowd will be there, so as a responsible person we should avoid it. Thank you all of you. It might be possible I am wrong, but as I think, whatever is my thought, just I am sharing with you all. Thank you.